Do you often forget important events or appointments on Facebook? Don't worry, we have a solution for you. In this tutorial, we will show you how to receive notifications by email for reminders on Facebook right from your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Step 2. Click on the notification icon located at the top right corner of your screen. This will open the notifications menu. Step 3. Next, click on the three dots icon. This will open a drop-down menu with additional options. Step 4. From the drop-down menu, select Notification Settings. This will take you to the Notification Settings page. Step 5. Now, click on Reminders to open the Reminder Notifications section. Step 6. Finally, toggle on the switch next to Email. By enabling this option, you will receive notifications by email for reminders on Facebook. And that's it. You're now set to receive notifications by email for reminders on Facebook. Stay organized and never miss an important event or appointment again. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Stay connected and receive email notifications for reminders on Facebook right on your PC.